Well, we looked around quite a bit and even looked at some of the competitors of 5-star. And what we found is, one, we could control the territory where we were at, so that was really important for us. And then the second piece is we really liked what 5-star was doing with the call center. We thought they were more progressive on the digital marketing side than some of the other companies we looked at. Those were big decision makers for us. What I enjoy most about owning our own franchise is we're back in control. Life's short and you gotta work, you gotta enjoy what you're doing and working with people that you enjoy. And I enjoy working with all of the 5-star people. It's a lot of fun. My advice for others looking into franchise ownership is, you got to do your due diligence. You got to be comfortable with what you're doing. It's a big investment. I mean, not only money, but time and commitment. You got to believe in the product. And for me, I'm always about helping customers. I mean, customers are the central focus in what we're doing. We're trying to make a difference in their lives. And one of the things you get to do with 5-star is you get to walk in and transform their bathrooms. And you watch the expression on their face when they see the finished product. It's life-changing for you.